How to run an AI locally using open source. So first we just need to run in our terminal and curl the HTTP for ollama.com. Okay, so now that we've installed that, we just need to do something like Ollama. So it's just pulling that free model for us to access. If you get an error like this here, this is just because there's no NVIDIA GPU detected, so it's just going to run in CPU mode only, which may be a little bit slower. And that's pulled the Ollama model. We can then run that or wait for that to initialize. Let's do something a little bit ironic. Considering it may be using all of our CPU, let's get it to create something which monitors our CPU. I'll see that inside our terminal, it is creating a bash script to monitor our CPU, even though the little sucker is probably taking most of it. Currently, we can see there it's probably running around 60 to 80% on one of these cores, so I don't have a lot of resources, so that's now running me up with the OBS and the Ollama to 11.4 gigabytes. Now this is the caveat: even though you've got the AI in your terminal, it doesn't actually have direct access to create it. So although this is a free model and it's useful in a certain way, it can provide us with the script, but it cannot provide us with monitoring or creating the updates inside of our console. We can use Open Interpreter to actually work with Ollama. Select Ollama. Now let's do what we did before. Let's create a CPU monitoring tool. So create a CPU monitoring tool for us to check regularly. Now we've used Ollama and we've also used this Open Interpreter to do the coding for us. So now we have a model, a open source model, and an interpreter to actually run the scripts for us.